Now the class on integral calculus, and it is definite integral. Definite integral in this class, I am going to start some important problem from the sample paper or question paper. All are important problem here. So first is problem number 1 for this class, that is P1 for this class definite integral, that is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin x upon cos x, sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, and it is dx, sin x cos x dx, sin x cos x dx. We know the integration 0 to a. We are remembering this function is given 0 to a fx into dx. It can be written as 0 to a f, 0 to f, and equal to a minus x into a upper limit, this one, this format is 0 to a, then fx dx can be written as 0 to a f a minus x into dx. So we are taking help of this for the problem. So we are considering as I. What is I? 0 to pi by 2, and we are writing here sin pi by 2 minus x from this a, sin pi by 2 minus x upon sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 minus x, and this equal to sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x into dx. We have taken the help of this one. Now we know sin pi by 2, that is sin 90 minus x, equal to cos x. Cos pi by 2 minus x, it is in the first quadrant, and it is 1 into 90, that is cos will be sin x. So it can be written as, it is equal to, we are writing as phi, and it is I, and from this we are writing here, it is I cos sin x plus sin x plus cos x. So we are writing this one equal to I 1, and this one equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin pi minus x, equal to cos x. So we are writing here cos x, sin pi by 2 is equal to, that is cos x plus sin x into dx. So we are writing here, that is equal to this, and we are marking as it is 1 and it is 2. Now we are adding 1 and 2. Therefore 2i equal to what we are getting? 2y. 2y equal to, we can write integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x dx plus 2 equal to 0 by pi by 2 cos x plus sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x into dx. Both terms are same. So what we can write? We can write 2 pi equal to, we are taking common this one, we can write that is equal to taking 0 pi by 2, and it can be written sin x plus cos x, same denominator, and sin x plus cos x, this into dx, this into, we are writing ds, and 0 to pi by 2. Now 0 to pi by 2, that is equal to 1 into dx equal to what? 1 into dx means x 0 to pi by 2, x that is 0 to pi by 2, that is pi by 2 minus 0 equal to pi by 2. Therefore, so that is equal to what? To I equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I equal to pi by 4. Therefore, result of this integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x into dx, the result is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is the answer for the problem. It is the most important problem, and we are taking the help this one, that is the result 0 to a fx dx can be written as 0 to a minus x into dx. So result of this definite integral equal to pi by 4. Now problem number 2 for the class. I am going to solve the problem number 2, and it is most important for doing the integral, that is for